John Clausen. I'm not available at the moment. Please leave a message.
Look at this photograph. Every time I do it makes me laugh. How did our eyes get so red? And what the hell is on Joey's head? This is where I grew up. I think the president fixed it up. I never knew we ever went without. The second floor is hot for sneaking out. And this is where I went to school. Most of the time had better things to do. Criminal record says I'm broken twice. I must have done it half a dozen times. I wonder if it's too late. Should I go back and try to graduate? Life's better now than it was.
For helvede, Andersen. Forestil dig, du står inde på en bar. Står en dame ved siden af dig. Du har givet hende drinks. Du har stået og snakket med hende. Hun er fuldstændig klar. Fuldstændig klar til med hjem. Du tager hende med ud i taxaen. Og du tager med hjem. Og så knaller du hende, ikke? Det er det samme som det der. Hen og hen bolden. Prøv igen, mand. For helvede.
Remember the old arcade, blew every dollar that we ever made. The cops see us hanging out. They say somebody went and burned it down.
For helvede, Anders. Hvor poster op? Så er der kun én bevægelse der. Nu skal jeg vise dig.
Lige nede.
Hvad fanden, Jesper? Har du fået fys eller hvad? Stopper der. Shell drill.